Makanan número 5.
Gigol lucha.
Yeah, Google lucha. Google. Google. Okay, Google lucha. Google. But when you're using it,
Use it on the screen. Make sure the operators lucha. We're not going to use Rika or Ita, right? No?
lucha.
Okay, we're not going to use that. Okay. Next word is tupado is tupoksay. Pado is pagasi.
Bakasi.
Planking is patalan with no G. Kuli is litin, wiki is kinali, rope, kali. We have several variations of that. We'll put that in there. Ulin is rudder. Sail boom, the horizontal. Emily lock is the lahi ladza. Sail step is tatsung lahi. Sail yard is palang ladza. This one here.
Yeah.
Is that the yard or the yard? The yard is the one going out. Okay, so the sail boom is the back. I've got this